Hey everyone, welcome back to English with San. I'm Alex, and today's episode is all about daily English conversation practice. Real, natural, everyday English that native speakers actually use. You see, most learners know grammar, but when it comes to speaking naturally, they freeze or sound robotic. So in this episode, we'll go through real-life situations. Morning chats, small talk, ordering coffee, talking to friends, and I'll show you how to sound confident and natural. All right, let's go step by step. Repeat after me when I pause and try to copy my tone and rhythm. One morning talk. Okay, imagine you just meet a friend in the morning. Most learners say, "Good morning, how are you?" That's fine, but it sounds a bit too formal. Native speakers usually say, "Hey, what's up, morning? How's it going? How'd you sleep?" Listen to this short example. Morning. You look tired. Yeah, I stayed up late watching Netflix again. You never learn. See how short and casual it sounds. That's how Americans actually talk. Simple, relaxed, friendly, coffee shop talk. Now let's move to the coffee shop, one of the most common small talk places in the US. Most learners say, "I want a coffee." But natives usually say, "Can I get a coffee, please? I'll have an iced latte. Could I grab a cappuccino to go?" And when the barista says anything else, you can reply with greater than nope. That's it. Thanks. I'm good. Thanks. That's all for me. Also, when someone says thank you instead of you're welcome, you'll often hear, "No problem, no worries. You're good." It's small, but these expressions make your English sound alive. 3. Small talk and friendly chat. Now imagine you're meeting someone at work, school, or a party. You don't need deep talk right away, just small talk. Try these lines. "Hey, long time no see. How's your week going? You look familiar. Do we know each other?" And when someone says something nice like, "Hey, I like your jacket," don't just say thank you. You can say, "Thanks. I got it on sale. Appreciate it. Oh, really? You've got good taste." These little phrases make you sound relaxed and confident for texting or casual talk. Let's talk about texting English, because that's daily conversation too. When chatting online, people don't write full sentences like in grammar books. Instead of greater than I am, going to be late, you'll see gonna be late. Instead of do you want to hang out, you'll see want to hang out. Other common ones. EDK. I don't know. TBH, to be honest. LMK. Let me know. So when you're texting, you can use short forms. But remember, don't overdo it in formal messages. 5. Expressing feelings. When someone asks, "How are you?" don't always say, "I'm fine." That's too flat. Try saying, "I'm good. Thanks for asking." Not too bad. Pretty good. How about you? Honestly, kind of tired today. See, that's more natural. It sounds like a real human, not a textbook. And when someone tells you something, react naturally. "No way, are you serious?" That's awesome. "Oh, that sucks." Native speakers react. That's what makes conversations flow. 6. Giving opinions. If you want to join conversations, you need phrases to share your opinion. Try these greater than I think so too. You might be right, that makes sense. Honestly, I'm not sure. That's an interesting point. And if you disagree, be polite. I get your point, but I see it differently. Maybe, but from my experience. That's how Americans disagree, softly, respectfully, but clearly. 7. Wrapping up in practice. All right, let's wrap up. To speak English naturally. 1. Keep it short and simple. 2. Use tone and emotion, don't sound robotic. 3. React when people talk. Say things like, "Really?" or "That's cool." Listen and repeat copy. Native rhythm, not just words. Practice these daily, maybe while brushing your teeth, walking, or listening to podcasts like this one. And remember, fluency isn't about being perfect. It's about sounding natural, relaxed, and confident. I'm Alex, and this was Daily English Conversation Practice. Speak English. Naturally, thanks for listening, and hey, if you like this episode, share it and keep practicing. See you in the next one.